Hi, I'm Dr. Ranjani Rao, practicing dental surgeon and implantologist from Electronic City, Bangalore. A lot of people actually wear away or eat away several layers of their tooth, especially on the biting surface of the tooth, either due to paranormal habits like grinding their teeth at night or because there is a morphological defect in the enamel structure which leads to wearing away extremely fast. In such people, most of their teeth have become flat because they've worn away and there's a loss in vertical. So in such, we have to treat this as a complete full mouth rehabilitation process. In addition to getting rid of the habit or working towards reducing the effect of the habit on the teeth, we also have to restore the teeth back, give them crowns, sometimes temporary crowns for a short period of time and then permanent crowns. Get their musculature to be rewired to work or function according to their original habits. This is called full mouth rehabilitation for attrited teeth.